Good morning, it's Wednesday, February the 3rd, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I have two great press releases for you this morning. They're coming out of the Canadian side, out of the resource sector, nothing out of the U.S. side, and I've got one halt to report on the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story, and it's a big one at that, coming out of a company called Evolving Gold Corporation. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol EVG. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet, and this is an exceptional press release. Evolving Gold is announcing assay results from their final 23 holes from their Rattlesnake Hills project, which is located in Wyoming. So here are the highlights, and once again, they are great highlights. 158 meters at 2.64 grams per ton of gold, and included within that we've got 16.8 meters of 10.3 grams per ton of gold. We've got another intercept of 82 meters at 3 grams per ton of gold, and included within that we've got 6 meters at 16.9 grams per ton of gold, 120 meters at 1.64 grams per ton of gold, and finally we've got 200 meters at 1.08 grams per ton of gold. So these are exceptional numbers. Congratulations to Evolving Gold and the rest of the team. I have a quote from Quinton Hennig, who's president and chief geologist of Evolving Gold, who states, "We are very pleased with the final results from Rattlesnake. At North Stock, we now see a continuous zone of higher grade mineralization at least 240 meters long and about 100 meters wide and extending to depths of over 300 meters. A little bit about the company. They are focused on the Rattlesnake Hills discovery, and they've also got 5 gold properties in and adjacent to the productive Carlin district of northern Nevada. And Evolving Gold has the option to acquire 100% of the Rattlesnake Hills project, last at 95 cents. High of $1.94, low of 25 cents, market cap of approximately $87 million. Now, moving on to our next company, Meadows Creek. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol MEK. Disclaimer time, they're also an AGORACOM client, and once again, they've also got great news. So the company is announcing that they've intersected high-grade mineralization, and in case I didn't mention it, Meadows Creek, they trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol MEK. They're announcing today that they've received assay results for 5 additional holes from its recently completed drill program on the Ogden Gold property, which is located in Timmins, Ontario. I've got some highlights. Hole number 6 returned 1 meter downhole intercept of 10 grams per ton of gold, and there was visible gold noted in this intercept. And hole number 19, which was 1.5 meter downhole intercept, which returned 10 grams per ton of gold, including 1 downhole intercept of 14 grams per ton of gold. And visible gold was also noted in this intercept, so great numbers coming out of Meadows Creek as well this morning. A little bit about the company. They can earn a 50% interest in the Ogden Gold property, including the former Nabob gold mine. Company's last at 16.5 cents, high of 27 cents, low of 6.5 cents. Market cap of approximately $7.7 million. Now, moving on to the halts, I've got one for you. IC Media, they trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol IEE. The company's being halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.